So you see how it looks like, very curved. What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? My name is Shabra Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm taking a camera angle from somewhere in the sky, and yeah, probably you would have guessed it. So per the video title, I have a new monitor here, and it's curved. Yes, from LDLC. I'm pretty sure you haven't heard of LDLC, but then they are one of the electronics company like Samsung, LG, and all those things. Yeah. So I got this from a guy in town, and it doesn't have the stand, the one that makes the monitor stand. So it's just the screen only with a charger and HDMI. So I decided to go for it because I'm not going to need a stand anyway. So yeah, so we're going to unbox this for you guys to see what's in this box and what it entails. Okay. I've already opened this, so don't think, yeah. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the charger. That is the, did I say charger? The adapter. Yeah, we have the adapter here, and it's more like, it's short. I don't know why it's too short. It doesn't get to my extension board, and it's so frustrating. Then we have an HDMI cable here, which I'm not going to use because I already have one. Yeah, then we have the main thing, that's the monitor, and yeah, it's dope. You see how it looks like, very curved, has this kind of sleek look, very dope. And the screen, I don't know how to describe the screen to you guys, but man, so refreshing. I mean, I've already tried this. If you think I haven't, I have already tried it, and it's too dope, yes. And there's this round thing here. You see this round thing? Let me pop it off for you guys to see. Yep, this round thing. You see there's a white oval thing around it. Yeah, it lights up. It's more like a red kind of scenario. So if you've plugged this and you're working, you see there's this red light at the back of the monitor. Yeah, it comes from the white oval thing there. Yeah, and if you want to mount it to like a monitor stand or something, there are dots there, holes that you can connect. Yeah, it's too dope. So you know what I'm going to do? Let me show you the sockets and the whatever, the HDMIs and all those things. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll get a closer for you guys. So we have two HDMIs, and we have one display port, and we have the adapter and also an audio port. I'll do a closer for you guys, so don't worry. But for the meantime, this is the LDLC curved monitor. Very sleek, very dope, very nice. I mean, you can position it in a vertical angle, in a horizontal angle, any angle that you want to position it, you can. So yeah, let me plug this bad boy up and give you guys the gist as to how this guy works. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. When I'm playing a game on this screen, dude, it's mad. So this game is Blair. It's a car racing game with power-ups and all those stuffs. I mean, it is very dope. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this on for like a few minutes for you guys to see how the gameplay is. Yeah. Shit! Ah! Oh no! God damn it! Repair. First plate. No way. Oh, come on, man. Do not. Shit. Well then. God damn it. And also so guys, that will be it for the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.